show you two international dishes. The first one is paella. Paella is a Spanish dish, and the second one is curry. Curry is an Indian dish. Paella is made from rice and seafood. They use a huge variety of different kinds of seafood like shrimps, fish, clams, calamari, and so on. They're all boiled together, and the rice is also boiled, and once it's ready, it's all put together and cooked over an open fire. Paella is a very tasty, very flavorful dish. And it's not only popular in Spain, but it's also common in other countries too, especially Western countries. The second dish, that's Indian curry. Curry is made from a variety of several different kinds of spices, and the best way to get it done is to actually buy the sauce already made. We need to cook, usually boil, chicken or beef, so you can choose a chicken curry or a beef curry. Once the meat is already boiled, you mix it with the curry sauce and then you put it on top of rice. That's a very good dish. I hope one day you have the chance to try one of these two international dishes.